This is the outlet in the Switzerland, Geneva. They're using this type, so it's kind of curvy, 3-hole, 3-prong. I don't have that adapter with me today, but I have this round 2-prong connector. I still can use it as well because the third one I can just ignore it, the ground prong. So I just plug it in like that, and then there you go. My converter working just fine. So yeah, all you need this small 2-round prong adapter for the Switzerland, and then you can use it as well. And some hotel they do have the USB plug also. So yeah, this is all you need. Thank you for watching.